Thor project, security, and the Academy of Wizards. So I'm going to condense the information more down on my way to make something very beautiful happen. Although it seems like, oh Jans, you're so black, you're in your darker aspect. Yeah, but this is where the mist and the magic is found. The fountain of you. So, I'll show you something. And this here is connected to the Thor project. Well, what is that? Garlic, huh? Why is it? Because it makes you get rid of vampires. But if you really understand it, it's a paradox, it's an irony. Because I show you another thing, which is basically then connected to your darker aspects over here. So I'm pretty much high up today, as the angle is telling you. You're dead wrong. It's the melanin, right? So, and the melanin is basically your darker aspect. So, if you try to get rid of vampires, which makes you more secure, you basically get maybe rid of melanin. But is there a connection? I don't know. But the Academy of Wizards is something way more beautiful. I'll show you something. And you might ask, oh yeah, this is freaking dark in here. Yeah, it should be, because this is how you basically find your magic. And it's how you can train better, if it makes any sense. So, personal training, group trainer, and I was thinking about where I could possibly go to do that in my area. I was writing down a strict number of money which I possibly maybe earn. But over here, this is basically the main part. I'm going to find my own room as an architect of this room, but more so an architect, a teacher, shaman of architecting and manifesting reality and architecting other people's lives. Not to the degree that I'm like, I manipulate you. That's not my interest. But I like to give you a certain piece of knowledge that you can maybe use for empowering yourself. And if you scroll back to my other videos, you will find these techniques over there. So, finding my own room, making my master degree, and yeah, maybe it's going to be a school for gifted beings. But from my point of view, this is only a quest of technique. Because if you get the right techniques, you are gifted with these techniques. It's a present for you. So this is basically how we enter the universe, like in the vinyl playing. And I like to say, no, hurry up, we're dreaming. Hurry up, we are dreaming. I am dreaming. Hurry up, let's do something here. So, switching from A to B, from side A, conscious to subconscious, through Aron and through melanin. And let me tell you, this is definitely working. It's definitely working. Consider what timelines are, dream states. I was dreaming about the same room in a city, the same map. It looked completely different. So it might be from another timeline. So there's like maybe there are different levels to this reality. I don't know. But, you know, I'd like to share that with you. So, Melanin, Space and Time Travel, the History of Melanin, Bobby Hammett, which gets into clarity and reduction to get to the Academy of Wizards. So what is the Academy of Wizards? It might be the room of what I am already doing. It's an Academy of Wizards. Or it could be like, I don't know, a system of crazy thoughts from myself. But there might be something to this. There might be something to this. So the Academy of Wizards, sides A and B, different colors. Yeah, this is basically, if you climb up, if you put together red and blue, you equal that in purple. I have no blue here. Oh wait, you see it. Like so. You have red and blue, and that basically equals in purple. Now, one step above the purple, even though it's not in the chakra card system, might be pink. Pink is connected to the alien state of mind, or to the wizards. You know, the pink wizards. Pink is the new black. So these are the words. I love you. Yo. The Academy of Wizards. I mean, look at how freaking good the colors are. Oh, here we go. Like, don't make videos or drive. But we're here in driving school, you know, the Academy of Wizards. I'm thinking about, you know, the human avatar, the human vessel, and how it's basically connected to the state of the mind state. So, from breatharian to carnivore, so to say, you know, or from enlightened being to monsters. I love monsters also, but I'm planning to, you know, in German it's called selbstständig, so building your own business. Oh, like when the light is coming up, building your own business, you know. The Academy of Wizards, so to say, shining bright. So, building in light mind beings. Because the only thing that I'm handing you out is technique and how you might use it. You know, technique, which is basically electromagnetism, electromagnetics. And if you're very, you know, slim shady, you can handle the ether which is around you, or the air, you know, a lot better. So you can flux energy way better through you. Because in the first place it's about technique, knowledge, clarity, wisdom, the heart. And so this is, you know, the ideal stand-up would be, I mean, not to not eat, but reduction, knowledge, clarity, mind space, and giving it to the kids, you know, giving the empowerment, the magic, the electromagnetics to the kids, because that's our next generation. So to say, we need a different system. No, we need a different mind approach, and the mind approach will be, hey, sun gazing, Kalaripeya 2, reduction, Smaitawi, whatever. It seems like I'm too powerful. I need to claw more. But maybe you can still hear me. I don't know.
sehr drahtig aussieht. You build basically. To me, clarity, wisdom, wizardry, knowledge, blueprint, red prints, black prints, white prints, rainbow prints. So you hit me right, you hit me wrong, you hit me whatever you might see. Yeah, you might ask, Jan, this is a chaotic state. Well, that's the way it should be. It should be chaotic. Because it's about your melanated magic. Melanin is your magic. Bobby Hemmett. And it's a few shining bright. I'm going to Shamanic Empowerment Academy of Wizards. Plan is going to be written into the future. Love you. Yeah, let me tell you something. That's basically the diarrhea or the dilemma here on dealing with black matter. Star Wars Episode 1, pretty much, a mass, a quasi mass, so to say. Lights, vinyls, plants, somehow dying but also surviving. So that's the absurd thing with it. If you deal with black magic, or like we say, dark matter, why am I dealing with it? I'm sucking it out of you to make you free, and then eventually to give it back to you, because I don't, energy never dies, it just changes form. So the thing with it here is we basically dealing with darkness and light, like in Star Wars, Lucas movie. So the real Jedi's, Yoda, Obi-Wan Kenobi, you know, Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader. These are all concepts of your brain dealing with primordial substance, which is melanin or obscurum, occultum, melanin. So basically it's pretty dark in here, right? So you see like plants are somehow dying, or there was kind of black holes in my garden, but only to give you beautiful perception. See, it's blurry in my vision to give you a better outlook on the whole thing. So I suck out the black, but it has to go somewhere. It goes into me, because maybe I am capable of handling it. I don't know. To give you freedom. So maybe I give you your black substance back. I give you your pole back, which is the chaotic state, the mind state. Strange, huh? Ducks are barking in the background, so the subconscious mind is activated. The ducks are basically a symbol of the subconscious mind. Yeah, whatever, you know. Put it here. No, that's chaotic. Everything is so chaotic in your life. Yes and no. Who pulls your strings, like I said? No, Jan, you're crazy. I don't want to spend time with you. Well, maybe you have to spend more time with yourself in order to write the black thing, which is in everybody. So you would like to have more pieces of the primordial substance. Well, it's already in you. But you also get rid of it, you know. Strange. Strange things. But I would guess many people like to spend time with me because I'm pretty much healing, if you hear my voice. Something hits in you which connects you more to your jungle-like ability, to your original state, to your childhood state where you can play. Rebels, you know, Jedi's, rainbow beings. I love you. 5000555.